Mrs. Padmini, can you please tell us about yourself? You are coming to Bank of Maharashtra. So please tell
Yes,
me
sir.
about yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm Aishwarya. I did my schooling in Sivagangai. After that, I have done my BTech Computer Science in Shastra University, Kumbakonam. After that, I got placed through campus interview in a City Union Bank.
Hmm.
There, I joined my career as a clerical. I worked in the ATM outsourcing department for the span of 1.5 years. After that,
Hmm.
I had been posted in my hometown branches. I had a branch experience of around 3 years.
Hmm.
Considering my problem solving skills and customer facing skills, the way I send the loan proposals to the zonal office, the way I present it, and also with the completion of CAAB, with additional added advantage, I had recommended by manager to post me in the credit department since I
Hmm.
was an eligible candidate to be posted. Then I had been posted in the credit department during 2019. Till now, at present, I am working in the credit department only. I'm
Hmm.
having around 6 years of experience in credit underwriting,
Hmm.
and on average, I process around three proposals. On
Hmm.
annual basis, I process around 900 proposals. I have also
Hmm.
completed a professional banker on credit, a certified credit professional. I have also related qualification to my credit appraisal. In
Hmm.
addition to credit underwriting, I also responsible for looking into the. I have taken responsible in ensuring that all the staff members are completing the TAT proposals, attending within the TAT. In my zonal office, I was responsible one. I had taken the responsibility voluntarily.
Hmm.
During my previous role, I after joining the advanced section, after 1 month of the term, it took around the TAT was
Hmm. No, what happened?
on my own basis. I have
Hmm.
created a own format and distributed and incorporating all the relevant details to the customer and distributed to my boss, and he
Hmm.
appreciated me. He distributed the same to everyone. He recommended me for a promotion. At present, I am in the scale one promotion. I'm working in a zonal office now. In
Hmm.
addition to that, we are also handling, we also coordinate with the customers for getting the loan application and branches. So I possess a problem solving skill. I can convince the client and
Hmm.
branches also. Apart from getting a good name from my boss, I have also having a good name from the sourcing team. So I think this is the achievement. I think I am doing it. Also, in addition to that, up to see, after 6 years of being in the credit department, whatever the proposal I sanctioned, I didn't see any account slipped into NPR stressed account.
Excellent.
So I think
Good. Hmm.
yes, sir. I think this is my profile, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, Mrs. Padmini, why do you want to come to Bank of Maharashtra as a credit officer? What have you seen in Bank of Maharashtra positive points before applying?
Yes, sir. I see now Bank of Maharashtra is one of the mid-sized to fast-growing bank. I'm from clerical to scale one. I am at City Bank. Uh, that private bank is run for a profit purpose. I'm having a good growth. I have no issues here. So my motive is to give service to the customer, work for a service-oriented organization. In my previous role, I was supposed to reject two or three customer proposal for want of collateral coverage of around 125%. So I was hurted in that way. So I planned to switch. I was having a plan to switch over to the organization which gives service, the service-oriented industry which gives service to the customer, which gives importance for MSME advances, for employee contribute for employment growth. And also, I think Bank of Maharashtra nowadays is one of the mid-sized growing bank. It has conferred a lot of awards, best mid-sized bank awards, and India's best mid-sized leading public sector bank awards. a lot of us is contributed. It has a business growth of around 5.47 lakhs, and I need a lot of exposure. So
Very good.
I have applied
Sufficient.
for a Bank of Maharashtra job.
Sufficient. But
Yes,
don't
sir.
tell about that 125%. That point need not be told.
Yes, sir. Sure. I will
That
correct it.
that will not go well. That is the
Okay,
thing.
sir.
Okay, doesn't matter. Now, mm, what are the accounts you have processed? You can remember. Supposing I want you to tell about five big accounts you have processed. Don't tell me the name of the parties. Tell me what
Yes,
business are they doing? What type of facilities were granted when you processed?
yes, sir. The first customer is uh, trading of running a Honda bike showroom.
Hmm,
The customer were already enjoying working capital facility in existing some other bank.
hmm,
We have taken over that and given additional loan for expansion of e-bikes,
hmm. Electronic bikes or
electronic bikes. So
electric or electro. Yeah, good. Very
the
good. Very
market
good.
is nowadays going for electronic bikes.
How many crores?
So it's about 15 crores.
Very good. Nice. Second
15 crores.
party. Tell me second party.
Yes, sir. The trader of Urud
Urad
doll
Dal.
business. Yes,
Dal
sir.
business. Can we finance against stocks of Urad Dal? I I think it is allowed. No, there is no bar in that now. What is the price of Urad Dal nowadays, roughly? Kilo in retail market? Any idea? No idea.
Yes,
Doesn't
no,
matter.
sir.
Leave it. Now, okay,
Yes,
how
sir.
many crores facility for Urad Dal?
Sorry, it's around 8 crores.
Excellent. Next, third party.
The trading of papers.
So all this you are
Trading of
telling only
papers.
trading. Have you not financed for any MSMEs?
Yes, sir. It all comes under MSME only, sir.
Acha, this also comes under MSME. Very good, very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now,
Since I am working,
what do you
yes,
know
sir.
about CGT MSC scheme?
CGT MSME is a credit guarantee fund trust for micro and small enterprises. Has initiated in the year of 2000 by the Ministry of MSME, Government of India, and along with the SIDBI. It has been introduced with a view to uh, facilitate advances to those without first generation entrepreneurs without having collateral free loan. It is a collateral free loan. It facilitated loans to those for the first generation entrepreneurs. Maximum ceiling of credit guarantee scheme is now it recently rise to 10 crores.
Good, very good. You told nicely. I'm happy. Um, you are from Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
What will you do if we post you to Assam? Where is Assam? Tell me.
It to Rajasthan.
No, Assam is not in Rajasthan. Assam is a separate state.
Okay, sir. No, yes,
That
sir. I'm a quick learner. I am adaptable to everywhere you post. So I had also worked in two or three different places. So that won't be any issue for me. I will with the help of technological advancement, I will learn the local language quickly and I will adapt to the situation. I will learn easily in 1 or 2 months, sir. There will be no issues. I will take it as a challenge and learn it quickly.
what is the full form of SMS
Structured messaging system.
or short message service? I don't know. Please check it up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is leverage ratio?
So uh, leverage ratio helps for a lender to assess the uh, ability of the borrower to serve the obligations of the short-term or long-term obligation. There are three leverage ratio. First one is a debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio is calculated by dividing the total debt divided by equity. It tells how much the borrower is relying on the borrowed assets instead of its equity. The industry benchmark is 2:1. If it is go beyond that, the company is relying more on the borrowed funds than its own funds. Second one is ICR. ICR is calculated by dividing the earnings before interest and tax divided by interest paid. Through ICR, we may it refers that the ability of the firm to serve the interest obligations. Industry benchmark ICR is 1.25.
Yeah.
If
Now,
beyond 1.25, there
what is DSCR?
yes, sir. DSCR is debt service coverage ratio. In case of sanctioning of term loans, we calculate DSCR. The formula for DSCR is profit after tax plus interest plus depreciation divided by interest and installments. The
Yeah.
industry benchmark DSCR is 1.33:1.
Yeah. Now there can be questions regarding your existing bank also, Padmini. I am not asking. Please prepare
Yes,
for
sir.
questions like who is your MD? How many
Yes, sir.
branches are there? What is the
Yes,
total
sir.
deposit, total advance? What was the profit made in the last year? And
Yes, sir.
what is the new project or new schemes introduced in your organization? How much has it
Yes,
been
sir.
giving for MSME? Something like that, general.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
get
sir.
ready for that, and you need not answer me now. But
Yes, sir.
in this Bank of Maharashtra question, I find they have given some questions for which even I don't know the answer. For
Yes, sir.
example, mm, treatment of preference capital as per IFRS.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Please note it.
Yes, sir. I'm noting down.
Treatment of preference capital as per IFRS. I don't know what is IFRS. You know what is IFRS?
No, sir.
Then why? First, what is preference capital and how it is that one. Next point.
Yes, sir.
mm, this is what appears to be very. I don't know the answer. But other things, okay, not bad. There is one more question on. Yeah, how can you answer this? What is project report? Sources and application of funds in project report. I think this comes in the case of term loan. They
Yes,
submit
sir.
a project proposal. In that project, they will be giving you sources and application. So, what is it?
Yes, sir. In project loan is the in through project report, we can analyze the future
Hmm,
cash flow generation from the project, expected cash flow generation, the viability of the project, technical feasibility of the project, and the promoter's margin, also the ratios and the locality advantages. Everything is in the project report. In the sources, the funds are which are contributed from the promoters and the borrowed
hmm,
funds that can be seen loans and advances or unsecured loan will displayed will be classified under sources.
hmm.
Users will be in the creation of asset. Like the project is loan is given for normally is given for acquisition of fixed asset only.
Hmm.
So
Oh,
in the user side of fixed assets, current asset, non-current asset will be displayed, so classified.
good, not bad. I think you have covered almost all the questions nicely. Hmm,
Yes, sir.
But in any project, any interview, you will be having some questions which we cannot answer. That will be bound to be there. Best wishes. You have done well only, and
Yes, sir.
yeah, I was not getting the particular question, credit report questions. So that is why credit 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Credit officer. Mhm. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. I'll wait, sir.
Mm. Credit officer. Some questions on capital budgeting. What will be your answers? What is capital budgeting and what do you know about it?
Yes, sir. Capital budgeting, it's a time taken to re- take the time. It's in project loan. The time taken to generate investment.
Hmm.
In that there are a payback method, average rate of return, internal rate of return. All those are methods for calculating the capital budgeting.
Mhm. Very good. Now, simple question for you. What is priority sector lending? How much percentage banks should give?
Yes, sir. Priority sector, Reserve Bank of India has stipulated banks, scheduled commercial banks to lend certain types of advances to certain sectors in order to spread the access of finance to all sectors equally and
Hmm.
for the economic development also and to avoid a concentration risk of lending to a one particular sector.
Hmm.
So, as per RBI, 40% of adjusted net bank credit should go to
Hmm.
priority sector lending.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Last, very simple question. Types of credit facilities a bank offers.
If we see in the sector wise, there are retail segment and corporate segments.
Okay. Under retail.
Under retail segment, there are personal loans, vehicle loan, education loan,
Hmm.
property loan, housing loan.
Hmm.
These are all the categories under retail segment. If we take in the corporate segment, business loan, working capital advances, working
Hmm.
capital limit, working capital loan.
Yeah. Last question.
Yes, sir.
Differentiate between term loan, cash credit, and overdraft. What are they? What is term loan? What is cash credit? What is overdraft?
Yes, sir. First, I'll tell about the term loan. Term loan is uh, Term loan is given for acquisition of fixed assets like plant and machinery, equipment, land and buildings. Term loan will be repaid from the out of the profit earned by the business. Cash credit is a working capital loan. Is a running facility. Is granted to the client for acquiring for creation of current asset for meeting
No.
of the day-to-day requirement is CC is sanctioned.
Hmm.
In case of difference between a CC and the OD, we access the working capital limit through various methods like MBBF or NI committee method. We arrive at one limit. On the other side, we also arrive at DP from excluding margin from stock and debtors. We arrive at DP. So whichever the limit is lower, we fix the limit in terms of CC. In CC, the primary security is stock and debtors. The collateral will be considered as some immovables or some other security is given. In case of OD, the limit is fixed based on the securities given.
Like
Like immovables, bonds, LIC policies.
super, super, super. Good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
That is the point I wanted. Cash credit, you should emphasize that the security is mainly the stocks
Yes, sir.
plus additional collateral. Whereas OD, the main security is either shares or fixed deposits or house property.
Yes, sir.
And the depending on its value, the drawing limit will be fixed. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, first class. You told nicely this question. You did very well. All these are available in page number 19 of the material I have given, 82 pages material I have given you.
Yes, sir.
இதெல்லாம் படிச்சியா?
No, sir. இப்போதான் சார் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
படிமா, நல்லா படிமா. பரவாயில்ல. நல்லா
சார்
தான்
நேத்து
பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
சார் நேத்து நேத்து வாட்ஸ்அப்ல எனக்கு சில கொஸ்டின் ஷேர் பண்றேன்னு சொல்லி பேஸ் பண்ணீங்க சார். பட் அது எனக்கு ரீச் ஆகல.
புரியல எனக்கு. அதாவது நான் அனுப்பிச்சது உங்களுக்கு வரலைங்கிறீங்களா?
வரல. ஆமா சார். பேஸ் பண்ணீங்க சார் நீங்க. ஆனா
இரு. இங்க இருக்கும். ஒரே
இதுதான்
நிமிடம். ஒரு நிமிடம். ஜஸ்ட் அ மினிட். அது எப்படி எங்கிட்ட இருக்கணும் இல்லையா?
டிராஃப்ட்ல இருக்கு சார். நீங்க என்டர் கிளிக் பண்ணா போகும் சார்.
பண்ணிருக்கேனே. ம், என்னைக்கு? நேத்திக்கும் தானே தமா?
நேத்து நேத்து சார்.
ஓஹோ, இதுவா?
ஆமா சார்.
ஆமா, கரெக்ட்.
ஆ
ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. கரெக்ட், கரெக்ட், கரெக்ட். இதுலயே
எஸ்
இருக்கு.
சார்.
இப்ப அனுப்பியிருக்கேன் பார்.
எஸ் சார்.
இதுதான் நினைக்கிறேன். இதே மெட்டீரியல் தான் நம்ம சோர்ஸ்லயும் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இல்ல வேறயா?
இல்ல சார். அது வேற 3 PDF 3 வேர்ட் ஃபைல் இருக்கு சார்.
ம், இது ஒரு நிமிஷம். இது ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது பாக்குறேன். பிஓபி எம்எஸ்எம்இ ஸ்கேல் 3. இது புதுசா? ஆமா, ஆமா. பேங்க் ஆஃப் பரோடா எம்எஸ்எம்இல இருந்து அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். இது புதுசா அனுப்பியிருக்கேன்.
எஸ் சார்.
ஆம், ஏதோ ஹிந்திலாம் வருது அது. பரவாயில்ல, படிச்சு
எஸ்
பார்த்துக்கோ.
சார்.
ஓகே,
எஸ்
தேங்க்யூ.
சார்.
உனக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் டேட்
தேங்க்யூ
ஆஃப்
சார்.
இன்டர்வியூ கொடுத்துருக்கேனா?
அது சார் 20th சார்.
20th. ஒரு நிமிடம். 20th 8:40.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, டன். தேங்க்யூ. பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ்.
தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் சார்.
ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டேனா? யா.